All right, so this is unit 2. What I did was I took the instructions, the exercises, and I went ahead and practiced with the exercise that was on the document. So if you can see in the Visual Basic VBA screen here, I have it all copied. And in order to get the desired row, which is what it looks like, is going to be row 6, or that's not it. Yes, it's going to be row 6, Smith John, 44 years old. What I went ahead and did is replace the 2's from the example with the 6, which is going to give me the desired line of information. Also, I noticed that there was a on row 5, number 5 in the E and F columns. So I went ahead and added that information to see this row 5 and 5 equals, and I'm not sure, based on what I read, if the instructor, if you actually really wanted me to add the number 5, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it anyway. See, keep it even here. And I'm going to add the dialog box. Just so I get that display going. Let's see. Excuse me, I'm kind of a slow typer. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and end that, and I'm just going to run it. And that is what I get here. I'm also going to go ahead and display the number 5. However, it looks a little bit different than in the example. So if I did that incorrectly, I would appreciate some feedback. So if you do not mind, as to how to get this bolded and the columns correctly sized, or if I was supposed to type it directly into the actual file. But as the assignment, that's pretty much what I did to get the desired results, although my columns E and F look a little bit different from the example here.